Hey guys, welcome to this video. Suppose we are asked to write a program that convert ASCII number to a character and a character to a ASCII number using switch statement. Let's code this program. First, I have to declare three variables: number, option. Number variable is used to input a number from the user so that we can convert that number into a character, and a character variable, character letter, and this character we will take input from the user so that we can convert that letter into a number. And option is used for the user, whether the user want to convert a number to a character or a letter to a number. So your first option say convert convert ASCII to character. Convert ASCII value to character. And left line, second option convert character to ASCII value. End of line, scene option. User will type, user will enter the option and we will convert the according to the choice of the user. So we can use switch statement. Switch option case 1. In case 1, we will take input a number from the user and convert that number to a character. So cout enter a number. Scene number. Cout corresponding character is, because we are converting a number to a character, ch character number. Case 2, colon, we have to follow the syntax. Cout, enter a character, because now we have to convert a character to number. Enter a character, end of line. Scene letter, we are declare a variable of character type letter. Cout, ASCII value of character is, maybe some space here. ASCII value of character is in letter. End of line. So now our default label at last. Default, what is cout, we may say invalid choice. Why invalid choice? If a user entered any other number instead of 1 or 2, then that choice will be an invalid choice. So guys, let's execute this program. So option 1, convert ASCII value to a character, and 2, convert character to ASCII value. Suppose we want to convert ASCII value to character 1. Now we have to enter a required number to which we have to convert into character. Let's suppose 65. 65 is ASCII value of capital A. Let's see what is output. So the corresponding character is A. So we have converted a number into character. Capital A has ASCII value of 65. Our program is working fine. Now see here, it is also asking enter a character. Why so? Because we only want to convert a ASCII value to a character, not a character to ASCII value. We have made some mistake. So let's, here you can see, if you do not put a break statement, then all the cases will be executed. So we have to place a break statement here. Also here break. Let's one enter a number 65. No, corresponding character is A and our program is terminated. Similarly, if we choose second option, then we can convert character to ASCII value. See, enter a character. Let's suppose I enter capital A. So its ASCII value of character A is 65. So in this way we can convert a character to a ASCII value and a ASCII value to a character. See here, Cout corresponding character is character number. This is something known as typecasting. We are casting a number into character. We are converting the type of number into a character. This is known as typecasting. So this number will be converted into a character. Similarly, here we are converting a character type to integer type. This is known as typecasting. So this character, this letter will be converted to integer. So guys, this is it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe Programming Languages. Goodbye.